will both be examined by your attorney and cross-examined by one of the prosecutors. Do you understand that? All right. And do either of you need any more time to talk with your lawyers about your decision whether to testify?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Kendrick, do you personally want to testify or not?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Stillwell, do you personally want to testify or not? All right. I find that each of these defendants has made a decision whether or not to testify with an understanding of his rights. All right. All right, we need to do anything else before we get the jury out, and I'll ask if you rest. And then have y'all made a decision about whether y'all going to present evidence? Okay, you want to let me know, or you want to be dramatic about it? Okay. All right. All right, then I'll get them out. We'll close the evidence. I'll let them go for today and tomorrow, have them come back on Thursday. And tomorrow, I mean, we can start the charge conference. And, oh, forgot something. There'll probably be a motion, I suspect. Okay. All right. Forgot about that. Okay. So I guess technically you need to rest before that motion. So I'm going to have to bring them in, then excuse them again. Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I understand that we're trying to keep things moving. I'm going to ask if Your Honor would consider giving us the afternoon and evening to look at the directed verdict motion. I know that you've suggested we need to be doing that, but there's only 24 hours in a day, and I think it would probably be more fruitful if all of us had an opportunity to review kind of what's come in, and so we can sit down and have an educated discussion.
Sure, that's fine.
Right,
so tomorrow we'll gather together. You'll present whatever motions you have.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Whatever response there is, I'll have to consider all of that. But I would also like to do the rest of the charge conference, the RICO part of the charge conference.
Can we have a further discussion with that once we excuse it?
Yep, sure. Okay. What are you, do you need?
I was just thinking procedurally, what happened? We rest, then we have, do we bring them?
We rest. I let them go for the day. All right, Ms. Hylton, does the state have any further evidence?
No, Your Honor, the state of Georgia rests.
All right, thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, considering the hour, I think that I'm going to let y'all go for the day. And then actually tomorrow, we will all have matters to take up outside of your presence. That's been kind of a common theme in this trial, and it happens in every trial, I promise. So y'all will have the day off tomorrow, and we'll see you back Thursday at 9 a.m. And just let me remind you, all of the instructions that have been applicable to you for the entirety of this trial remain applicable right now. Don't try to find out any kind of information about this case from any source outside the confines of this courtroom. Don't talk to anybody about this case. Don't let anybody talk to you about this case or anybody involved in it. Don't try to do any research about the case. Don't ask anybody hypothetical questions about the case. And we'll see y'all on Thursday. Thank you.